SUNCREAT sent me this hammock chair stand for my review, and this is awesome. So as you'll see in some of the footage, my husband and I were putting it together. It definitely requires two people. It's not difficult, but it is just a little bit awkward in some places, so you kind of need someone to hold the pieces and kind of get through there. And you know, we ended up using our own tools instead of the ones that came in the box because it was just a lot easier. But once we got it all done, you know, and kind of got the ball rolling there, it turned out fantastic. So this is all metal and it is heavy duty. This can hold up to 400 pounds, which is fantastic. And then over on this side here, you actually have two heights you can adjust it to. So it could be up to 74 inches or you can go up to 77 inches. So you just have to take out the bolts and then just move it up, of course, on both sides. And then you'll have a little bit more height. It does come with two of the carabiners. You get two chains and then you actually get two of these as well. Because as you know, there are so many different kinds of chairs. You know, you have those swinging ones that you would attach here. You have kind of like the egg ones that just hang from down here. So many different options. So I love that this stand allows you to put so many different ones. And speaking of that, I do think I have a chair. So let me go find it and I'll be right back. So as I said, it's really customizable. So I have a chair that just has one hook here in the middle. So I've actually taken the chain and doubled it because at first I attached it without the chain and it was so high up, like I could barely like get into it. And then I was like, let's use that chain because it comes with two. So now I chained it up and I've got my chair. This is super comfortable. As I said, this can hold up to 400 pounds. And this one is quite a large chair. And I still have so much room here for bigger chairs because they have some of those really awesome oversized double ones. And then this stand is going to work for ones like that as well. I love when you can get such a versatile stand. So yeah, really cool. As I said, you know, easy to put together, but you definitely need two people, really sturdy. And I just like love the black modern look. This thing is awesome.